So today we are going to see all the facts and the movements, the real side of a story of a human being and Sony A. Jean, what their story says to us and what is the real truth and what is the rumor. So let's start the video. The two were reportedly seen shopping together at the supermarket outside of Korea. Together they were reportedly shot. On January 21, the photos of two individuals who appeared to be Yoon Bin and Son Ye Jin were shared on online communities and social media and went viral. Both actors are wearing caps and Son Ye Jin is also wearing sunglasses. Sources from both Yoon Bin agencies and Soyeon Agency Entertainment have responded to this rumor, and they said the both actors agency said that we are looking why will whether the official statement of these photos are real or not, we are looking it. This was the statement of an agency. Meanwhile, Yoon Bin and Son Ye Jin were caught up in dating rumor on January 9 as well. Their dating rumor went viral on January 9. Both agencies denied the rumor on the next day in January 10, but back in January 9, a post on an online community claimed that the actors are currently traveling together in Los Angeles. This was the news. On 9 January, the news went viral that Soon Bin and Son Ye Jin is traveling with each other to the Los Angeles. The post said the two are affectionately traveling with each other and spotted them eating together with her parents in the United States. In a response, Son Ye Jin's agency commented this online post is not true. It is false report. And they explain that the Son Ye Jin is currently traveling alone. She usually enjoys traveling alone. She is not traveling with him, his agency claimed. The agency added that her parents are also currently in Korea, so it does not even make sense that they ate together in the United States. And Yoon Bin agency also released the statement regarding the rumors of the acting traveling with Son Ye Jin on January 10. His agency stated that Yoon Bin went to the United States for the business and his personal schedule. It is not true that they are traveling together. He went alone. However, the new photo of the pair together grocery shopping in the United States went viral, and the rumor that the two are together went viral again. Son Ye Jin and Yoo Bin previously co-starred in the 2018 film The Negotiation. The pair grew close after the filming together, with Yoon Bin often appearing on Son Ye Jin's Instagram account. Then work on the hit TV drama Crash Landing on You, and it was the hit drama, and also their chemistry was so perfect that the fans are not convinced of their friend status. The fans are saying that they are not only friends and believe something deeper is going on between these both the actors, but still they both denied of being a couple. Then an article from a dispatch was out saying the ending is all happy ending, and the article was this. You can see what is written in this article. Now fans thinks that this article is saying something, that they are not just friends but more than that, and now we are waiting to get something big news soon, and we are hoping that this rumor is going to be true, but we don't need any explanation, I think, because all the movements and their chemistry says it all to us, and we hope that this will be true and something big good news is on the way from this both the actors. It will be surely a good news. So we love this pair in drama and movie, but we love them more in real life, and they make a perfect pair for each other. So this was the full story, and we hope to get the good news soon from this couple officially, and also we love their pair, their chemistry in real life, and waiting to be this couple in a real life.